Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write double wave text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the shape option, text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Now I am select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu and increase the font size. Then select the text box and go to the shape format menu. Choose the shape fill, make no fill and choose the outline, make no outline. Then select text again. Click and drag on our mouse. Select the text effect and go to the transform option. We can see here many effect and option. Now I am select the double wave. Then we can see we add write text with double wave easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.